Today I am reviewing the Microderm GLO Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an at-home skincare device that brings spa-level exfoliation into your routine, the Microderm GLO Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine is one of those products that genuinely stands out in the crowded beauty and skincare market. Right from the start, this device positions itself as more than just a beauty gadget. It's designed as a home facial treatment system focused on improving skin texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines, unclogging pores, and helping with acne scars over time. It uses diamond microdermabrasion technology, which essentially means it gently exfoliates the outer layer of dead skin cells while stimulating fresh skin underneath. One of the most noticeable things about this system is how simple and accessible it is for home use. You don't need professional training or salon appointments to use it. The device is designed to be beginner-friendly, and with regular weekly use, it can become a consistent part of your skincare routine. Many users are drawn to it because it promises spa-like results at home in just a few minutes per session, which makes it very appealing for people with busy schedules. The core feature of the Microderm GLO is its patented diamond exfoliation tip combined with safe suction technology. This combination is what helps lift away dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities from the skin surface. At the same time, it stimulates circulation, which can contribute to a healthier and more radiant appearance over time. The suction is designed to be controlled and safe, which is especially important for people who are new to microdermabrasion or have sensitive skin. What makes this device particularly appealing is that it focuses on skin rejuvenation goals like smoother texture, improved tone, and reduced pore visibility. Over time, consistent use can help the skin look more polished and refreshed. It's not an instant miracle device, but rather something that works gradually as part of a skincare routine. Another major selling point is how it handles safety. The system is designed with what it calls a diamond-safe technology, which helps prevent overexfoliation or damage to the skin. This is important because one of the biggest concerns with at-home dermabrasion tools is using too much pressure or causing irritation. The design here aims to make the process gentle enough for most skin types, including sensitive skin, when used correctly. The actual treatment process is also very quick. A full session can be done in around 4 minutes, which makes it easy to fit into your weekly skincare routine without feeling like a chore. That convenience factor is a big reason why devices like this are popular. They don't require long sessions or complicated steps. In terms of results, users typically look for improvements in skin smoothness, brightness, and clarity over time. With consistent use, the skin can appear more refined, and makeup may apply more evenly because of the smoother surface. It's also commonly used to help reduce the appearance of acne scars and rough texture, although results can vary depending on skin type and consistency of use. One thing to keep in mind is that this is not a one-time fix product. Like most skincare tools, the best results come with regular and proper use over time. It works best when combined with a good skincare routine that includes hydration and sun protection. Overuse is also something to avoid, since exfoliation should be balanced rather than aggressive. Overall, the Microderm GLO Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine is a strong option for people who want to take their skincare routine to the next level without visiting a spa. It brings a professional-style exfoliation experience into the home in a simple, controlled, and relatively safe way. If your goal is smoother skin, improved radiance, and a more refined texture over time, this device offers a convenient and effective solution that fits easily into a weekly routine.